I'm joined now by Katie Stockton, who is founding managing partner at Fairlead Strategies. She's a technician, meaning she watches the charts to help predict the next market move. Katie, great to see you this evening. What do you make of the bounce that we saw today and the level, of course, it came off as to what it implies for the week ahead?
Well, today's bounce was really best case scenario after last week's price action. Very dramatic declines to the downside for really all the major indices and around the world. So the pullback that we saw was very fast and furious, and it was characterized by very heavy volume. You can see that in ETFs like the spiders. And that volume tends to be reflective of emotional trading. So that emotional trading is more indicative of a counter trend move than the start of a bear market or any kind of big bearish reversal. However, we really need to see even more of a retracement for some stocks by Friday's close in order to avoid confirmation of the breakdowns that we saw last week. So it really places a lot of importance on this week's price action that we see. Gains, of course, today's gains were very impressive and certainly help some things preserve support, including the spiders. So if we were to close the week at this level, that would be a very good thing.
So is it kind of an either-or scenario now, Katie, that we bounce significantly and within a week or two get back to the recent highs, or we fall aggressively, or could the level we close at tonight be held for some time?
It could certainly be held. We do sometimes see those kind of V-bottoms, especially in these kind of emotionally charged environments, which are characterized by what was overly bearish sentiment going into today. It's the sentiment that, to me, is the driver of what we've already seen. There's a lot of fear and a lot of uncertainty around the coronavirus, and that's what's affecting the market. And, of course, once folks get any kind of bit of good news, they may hold on to that and just let the market rally from here without even a retest. So there's no way to predict whether there is a retest or not. Bottoms are often processes as opposed to V-bottoms, so you can't be sure. But as it stands, I think we assume that if we see a strong close this week, that that's a positive development.